with CCTV News You Can Use, joined here with Lindsay from Facilities Maintenance to talk about the new fire station and public safety building and the CCSO District building that just opened today. Tell us a little about these two projects.
So these projects are in partnership with Babcock, and they built the shell, and then we come in and we build the interior part. So it's a great partnership. The fire station was well needed. It replaces old Fire Station 9, and then the district office is a brand new district for Charlotte County Sheriff.
And how much were these two projects?
So our portion was just the interior. The fire station portion was 4.1 million, and the sheriff's office was 4.5.
And is there anything unique about these facilities that is different because they are in part of Babcock Ranch?
Yeah, so this is the first fire station that has the bifold doors. That was a request from the fire facility. They believe that they're safer, they're easier to maintain, it allows quicker access. The overhead doors, you have to wait for them to come all the way up, and there was some safety concerns with that. So it's the first project to have those doors, and we're really excited about it.
All right, well, thank you, and we are excited to have these two new facilities in Babcock Ranch and to see Charlotte County continue to grow out here.
We have several more projects coming. We have 2 more fire stations, a mosquito control building, an annex, and a library, so there'll be more to come.
Wow, that's exciting. Thank you.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for all of the upcoming projects out here. For CCTV News You Can Use, I'm Elizabeth Sporillo.